Hey guys, it's me again. How are you? We're going to start with contents, okay? And the activities that we've been doing in class. I'm going to try to explain, okay? So, let's get started. First of all, I want you to tell me, how are you today? How are you today? Let's see. I am happy. I am happy. I am very happy. I am also clever today. I have many new ideas. So I'm clever. I'm fine. Yes, I am fine. I am a bit sleepy. Yes, a little sleepy. And well, that's it. That's how I am. How are you? How are you? How about you? Are you scared or angry or bad? Or are you bored? Or clever? Or are you sad for some reason? I hope not. Are you sleepy? Or are you okay? Or are you fine? Or are you happy like me? How are you today? I also want to know what's the weather like today. What's the weather today? If you look at your window here, how's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Or is it cloudy? Or windy? Or is it snowy? I don't think so. It's never snowy here. So how's the weather today? So you can point with your finger, oh, it's sunny, or it's rainy, or it's cloudy. How's the weather today? How is it? I think it's cloudy. I don't know. You tell me. And finally, what day is it today? What day is it? Is it Monday? Or Tuesday? Or Wednesday? Thursday? Friday? Saturday? Or Sunday? What day is it today? What's the day of the week? Good. Hey, I wanted to show you this. This is our English paddle, or Padlet, sorry, not Padlets. And we have different sections, right? These are our new tasks and news and anything I need to remind you of, okay? So you need to read here. So remember to send me all of your work to Pronounce. Good? This is our first activity of the first week. We did colors. So if you click here, you're going to have access to my presentation for colors. So let's check it. Let's see. What does it look like? It's loading. There it is, colors. So, what color is this shoe? Do you have any idea? What color is it? Is it blue? Yellow? What color is it? It's red. It's red, right? It's a red shoe. What color is this bird? Is it yellow or purple or orange? It's blue. It's a blue bird, right? How about these flowers? These flowers are yellow flowers. Here we have, what color is it? Easy peasy, it's purple, right? Purple. What about this one? Yum yum. It is easy peasy as well. Pink, very good. Oranges are orange, of course. Oranges are orange. How about the grass and the woods? It's all green, my favorite color. Now, pay attention. When I say what color is it, you're going to answer it is. So it is pink, right? What color is it? What color is this car? It is blue and green. It is, right? It is. What color is this chair? It is purple. It is purple. What color are these watermelons? Or this watermelon? What color is this watermelon? It is red. It is red, right? And what color is this beautiful coat? It is yellow. It is yellow. So can you name all the colors here? I can see yellow, green, blue, white, and red, right? Very good. Strawberries, pineapples, and so on and so forth. Good. If you want to have this in your computer, you click here, download. Good. Great. Now, the activity. Let's check our activity. Good. So here we have the activity. We have balloons, many balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you're going to read the color here for each number, and you're going to color or paint with color pencils, right? So number 1, what color is number 1? What color is number 1? Number 1 is blue. So you're going to paint it blue. Number 2, what color is number 2? Number 2 is green. Number 3 is orange. So you paint it orange. Number 4 is violet or purple, right? Number 5 is pink, like my jumper here. Pink, like sweater. Number 6 is brown. Do you have something brown? Brown, like a chair, like a table. Brown. Number 7 is black. A computer, my computer, like my cell phone. Black. Number 8 is yellow. Number 9 is red. And number 10 is white. White, like this is white. White. See? Good job. So, when you're ready, you send it to me to Pronote, and I'll be able to check it and say correct or incorrect. I don't think so. It's going to be correct. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.